All right, welcome to the Homeowner Series Septic Tank Edition. Well, we had our septic back up a little in the basement, and it was full. It hadn't been emptied in over 12 years, and that's too long. So I dug up the opening, and they sucked it out. You can see the level here. It was very full. There's a weird pipe down in the bottom. I do not know what that is doing down there, that PVC. That's below the outflow pipe. You can see now the circular tank and the inflow on this side toward the house. There's a 15-foot run, and you can see it's about maybe 3/4 of the way open. We need to get that probably cleared out. I'd say there was a good 8 inches of foam at the top, or slime, what do they call it? A scum at the top, the oily stuff. And we'll get another view of the outflow pipe, and you'll see there's a weird lid-like thing, like a flappy thing on the end that kind of stays open. I'm not sure the exact purpose of that, what that's all about. But it normally enters into the liquid part in the middle and then heads out to the leach field. But anyway, everyone should check their septic, monitor it, or at least get it pumped out every 3 to 5 years, they say. So don't do what I did. All right, thanks. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.